In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Propitect device, explore the available data plans, and explain how to manage them. With Propitect, there are several ways to connect a device to the portal. The most common devices are InterLINX and ME-Link modules, and the connection method depends on the device type. For InterLINX Lite and ME-Link, you can use your own 4G-enabled SIM card for cellular communication. Alternatively, InterLINX Wi-Fi and ME-Link devices can connect to a local Wi-Fi network. With this method, you can manage the connection yourself, so you only pay for portal access. The second option is to purchase a controller with a pre-installed InterLINX Lite or ME-Link module from MATelec Australia. This module comes with a SIM card and connects directly to the 4G cellular network. This option offers 2 levels of monitoring, manage and build through the Propitect portal. To view or change your data plan, go to the Asset page via the Asset list or the Map view. Under the General tab, you'll find the Data Plans section. Low data sends telemetry updates once a day, while high data sends updates every 5 minutes, providing near real-time visibility. Alerts and fault notifications are sent instantly on both plans, and manual refreshes can be performed anytime without affecting billing. Upgrading from low to high data plans will trigger a pop-up showing the increased charges billed monthly for the next full month. Next, we'll move into covering Propitect asset alarms and the Alarms tab.